Hey, John coming at you from A1 Tool. Welcome to our virtual booth. We're very excited about the Dream event. We want to thank Don and Dave for putting this together. What a great event. Like to see everybody in person, but until we can do that, this is great. Good thing you stopped by here first because we have a really special promo that we want to share with you. A1 Tool is going to do 10% off everything on their website, which you can link over to from this virtual booth. And it's only for today, and you have to use the special promo code DREAM, D-R-E-A-M. You have to put that in order to get the 10% off. So this is a pertinent piece of information. Use it wisely. It's only going to be available between 10 o'clock, the opening of the expo, and midnight on Saturday, and then we're back to our regular pricing. So don't miss out. You got to act quick or you're not going to get the promo code. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to interact live with you on Saturday. We've had a personal event that has come up that is going to take us out of state, and we know that you understand how those things can happen. But you can always reach out to us through Facebook, or you can email, call us. We like to think that we're available to our customers, and we hear from a lot of you. And so do that, and have a great show. Thanks.